Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Now we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 15, Perpendicular and Parallel Lines. In this chapter, we are going to start with the lesson 1, Perpendicular Lines. We are going to study how to define and identify the perpendicular lines and how to draw the perpendicular lines. Let's begin. What are perpendicular lines? When two lines join together at right angles, is called perpendicular lines. Now you can see when a sheet of paper is folded twice, as shown, the angle formed is a right angle. So now I am going to fold a piece of sheet so that it makes a right angle. Suppose if I am drawing a straight line on the board. Put the sheet of folded paper against the two lines. The lines, they just meet at right angles. Can you see that? They make a square corner. They are meeting exactly at the right angle. So thus, the two lines which join each other, they are called as perpendicular lines. Now, the scale what I am showing to you is called a set square. We can also use the set square to identify or to draw the perpendicular lines. Let me keep the set square and show you whether the two lines join exactly at the right angle. They are forming a square corner. They are forming a right angle. So these two lines which join together are called as perpendicular lines. Let us name the perpendicular lines. We can give them any name: XY, PQ. Now I can say that PQ is perpendicular to XY. This sign is the short form or the sign of perpendicular lines. In the same way, here the two lines you can see CD is perpendicular to AB. Let us see few more examples. Lines AB, AB and BC. They meet at right angles, so they are called perpendicular lines. Whereas lines XY and ZV, they do not meet at right angles, so they are not perpendicular lines. Now can you see few more examples? Wherever there is a formation of the square corners, these two lines are called as perpendicular lines. Now let me teach you how to draw perpendicular lines. Draw a baseline which is straight line. Then by using the set square, just keep a set square on any part exactly as shown to you. Draw the other line. Thus the two lines which are formed, for example AB and CD. So CD is perpendicular to AB. A perpendicular line can also be drawn through a given point.